Hello friends, in this video lecture we are going to see about the basics of human-computer interaction. What is human-computer interaction? So it's a good technology. So otherwise, we just in short we take it as HCI. What is HCI? Human-computer interaction. So it's nothing but the field of study focused on the design and use of computer technology, particularly the interfaces. We concentrate on the interface between people or the users and the computers. It involves understanding how humans interact with computers and designing technologies that let humans interact with computers in novel ways. What is the major importance of HCI? So HCI means it's growing rapidly. This field is growing very rapidly as computing devices permeate every aspect of our life. From personal computers and smartphones to smart environments and wearable devices, HCI is central to ensuring these technologies are usable, efficient, and enjoyable for people. What is the scope of this HCI? So it includes covers broad range of topics including user interface design, ergonomics, usability, accessibility, cognitive psychology and human factors. So these technologies help to tailor human needs and capacities. We will see just the evolution of HCI. In early days, computers were large, expensive machines used only by experts. The interaction was limited to command line interfaces where users had to learn complex commands. So then we shifted to user friendly interfaces over time. There was a significant shift towards GUI, graphical user interfaces, that made computers accessible to non experts. GUI introduced elements like windows, icons, pointers, making interaction more intuitive, what we are enjoying today. So, what is the role of modern devices? Today, interaction has expanded beyond desktop computers to include touch screens, voice commands, gesture based interfaces, all these things. We will explore how HCA has adapted to these modern devices and challenges they bring. What are the examples and few benefits of HCA? So they are used in creation of digital libraries everywhere. Wherever we interact, humans interact with the devices. So this can be used. So human aspects, we can divide the core elements of HCI into human aspects, computer aspects, and interaction aspects. When you just take off the human aspects, understanding the human side of interaction, that means studying cognitive process, motor skills, perception, memory, emotions. So this is very crucial for designing interfaces that are easy to learn and use. Without studying humans, it's not possible to design the interaction possibility. Computer aspects. When you see from the computer point of view, how the designers and engineers consider how hardware and software interact, how information is processed, how output is displayed to user. Interaction aspect. So we just concentrate on the interaction styles like command line, graphical user interfaces, and more recent paradigms like voice interaction and virtual reality. So we have different models in HCI. Basically, these models we just classify as model view controller. That means we just take the common architectural pattern in interface design. It separates the interface user input data to make systems more modular and easier to manage. We have one famous model here, Norman's interaction model, so that we will see later. So when this includes goal formation, execution, and evolution. So it is very crucial for understanding where design failures may occur. Then another important model is cognitive model that also we'll see later. So this cognitive model includes Gomes model, that is goals, operators, methods, and selection rules, and KLM, keystroke level model. So these are some of the basic important models that we see in the case of our human computer interaction. So it is a crucial field, critical field that blends psychology, technology, and design. So what is HCI means? It's nothing but a crucial or critical field that blends human psychology and computer technology as well as the interactive design. So we need to understand user needs and behaviors is central for creating usable and effective technologies. HCI is constantly evolving with new interaction paradigms such as virtual reality, artificial intelligence, and gesture-based interfaces. So we are very clear HCA principles are applied in everyday technologies, and we have to think about how future innovations might shape the way we interact with machines. So you can just take a simple assignments like analyze a common user interface or a mobile app and identify good and bad design elements based on HCA principles. So you can also redesign an interface based on user feedback and the HCA and the discussed HCA models. Thank you.